Alright, well today, take a look at this little mini bike we got here. I've been tinkering with it, got new gas in it. Spark plug's good still, and spraying it, trying to get it just run and burn off any crappy fuel that's been sitting in there over the past. We're gonna try to work on it. I'm gonna sit y'all down over there or somewhere, and y'all get to watch you try to struggle to get this thing to start. Sponsored by Motormatic Thrust Starting Fluid for gas and diesel engines. Oh, it's almost there. It wants to live so bad. Okay. Oh, we're getting there. Oh, it wants to go so bad. Okay, here's what we got now. Start taking it apart. That I wasn't supposed to do, but I did anyway. Oh well. There's my carburetor right there. Took off the air filter. I'm gonna go get that air filter cleaned out. See what that does. And then go and clean the clutch next. So we'll get that cleaned off and I'll be right back. We got the filter cleaned out. We're gonna put it back on. So, okay, put that down right there. Grab a protection plate for it. Put it on my shoe. That way it can hold on to it. And we'll grab this. We'll screw it on for a little bit on our own before we grab our handy dandy screwdriver. Okay. Handy dandy screwdriver right here. Right here. Okay, switch hands. Okay. Oh. That's why you work with two hands and not just one. But oh well. Okay. Now that we got that on. Sorry. Just trying to figure out, get back in there. Okay. Now that that's back on. Oh, my knee covered that the whole time. It's fine. Okay. Let's put this my pool thing back on. Make sure the rest of the holes lined up before I tighten that top one a little bit more. Not all the way. Grab the next one. Okay, it's one. Not all the way. Oh, this one's a pain because that stupid kick stand or whatever you put your feet on. Footrest. Tighten that full the way. Back over here. Tighten that all the way. Over here. Tighten that all the way. And back together for now. I think I'm going to try it. Starting it with just the air cleaner being cleaned out. Spray it once to see if it'll start by that itself. Now you hear that clutch sticking. We may end up having to take that carburetor off. This thing's been sitting way too long. I don't think we're gonna have any success today. Not today. Probably gonna have to tear it apart. A for effort. Alright, well I guess we're going to leave this for another weekend. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the carb, get it all cleaned up and pretty looking again. We're going to do the same right here with the clutch and then get some new oil for it and we'll pick it back up hopefully this weekend. So like always, subscribe if you're new, leave a comment down below, like the video, and stay country.